Yegede ka Kawashuni Shillong ka Kubor ban Pulishipi dai inibada lindo kimat bakong sanjong ka Kubor. Rakiburam ka Mikhalia ya ka World Tourism Day 2008 minta kasmi. Yai ba Winston Tony Lindo onjit kum UCEM ka KHADC London jin ya kun pasha. Palat ris pa angot kinonglo muntoy kila yopdang yaki jinrap ha unsning CNRD Block Distribution Program. But your word o MDC ba Powell Soklet ban pinkling yaki bor pinya district ha Eastern West Khasi Hills. Ki kubor ki bagnya. Kamikhalia kalaraki yaka World Tourism Day 2008 daka program kirpang balatip kong Kamikhalia calling the One Connect Mikhalia Experience balapilong Marriott Hotel Minta kasni. Haka nika jingra kela pinkop borami ki nongjom ka Outlook Responsible Tourism Award but ki nongyo yaka Community Led Tourism Infrastructure Scheme. Umintri rang ba Conrad Kongal Sangma ulabatay lingkot halor ka jingsan jong katmat ki kam jngok kai perthei jong ka jilla da ka bakdaw yaka jingdon ki nongwan jngok kai shaka jilla ki banala ka jong kari balakiyo naga khatsaw lang House name Arajar Apulai, Jaka Kandri Lak House name Arajar Apusau. Kat baga jingdon kibawan nabari, kalakio Shaka Arpoing Lai Lakmud. Ulapin menaru, yaki aspa, ship hoteli ki project katna tourism, kiba shongdor palat lai jar klot tingka, na lor ka aspa sanpu klot tingka balamang, daka sorkat pedai naga binta, ban kintiu, yaki jingte jingshna hasora. Ka Office Jong Block Development Officer BDO Umsning CNRD Block daka jitri lang bakatnat social welfare nong po kalapilong nika special distribution program ha Umsning CNRD Conference Hall minta kasni. Kani ka program kala ajingan to ya palan res pa amat kinong shnong balahe rta na hati bat umsning bat ya inyo pusamot ki breu badan jingduna hagit khotnet ki bala yo pedang ya ki tiar banyarap yaki kum ki shuki badan shaka ki kali lai shaka ki dingshan banyat ki tiar yaram ya ki baduna ka bor yo snow bat ki sound system uba Charles Marnar MLA ka mangti ule don nang kum ukongsan lambat BDO ba Andrew Marthong i district social welfare officer kong Esun bat kiba wanni khmat naka alim ko kabe trailang baka sarkar bat ay yakite kityar klandon kam siu pisa Uba Winston Tony Lindo jong ka Voice of the People Party VPP MDC na nong thamai unsa shimti kum Chief Executive Member CEM jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC yake election labo man pelong na shay kasni hakapor khatway beji minstem uba Lindo ula thep kerteng hakmat i Valentine Sotun Secretary jong ka Legislative Wing minta kasni Malaysian wan lang da baro ki MDC ka VPP Bakintop yung chairman ka KHADC ba strong pila khajana hadin baladat bishab na ikikot kisla lapin na baga jingtap kerteng jong ba sotun kalong kababyang bat pindik na yake election mamdan nong yakun persya hadin bakalyang persya kalaray ban nansay kertong banyale nakabinta kami kashuki CEM Iba Powell Soklet MDC ka Paryong Mauthat Raishan but executive member jong ka KHADC ilapin pa ka jing snongwin halo ka jingwan jungo jong ulat ya ka Eastern West Khasi Hills hinray pinshay pat halo ka jingdon kam ban pindap kirki ya ki jaka bathili hakalyang ka sinshar khadar haba kren jakatnat pathai kubor iba Soklet ilaong balajan sounds nim na do bala thaw ya ka district bon tili kitna trekam kindon ki he ki batikna badru ki office hinray de ki jo ki officer ki bapet bat pingat lang ya bon tili ki district ila kintu ya ulat ban instead ke jingthu ya ki nomtre ki badai ban ya ki kam ki bakongsan haba kindi halor ki jing perkhat ka sarkar ilaong balada nyaw folklore tingka laban lut manna kasnem nakabinta katulop ke KHADC kajala kadai banna ban pinni yaki post batmai ban pinti kana baka senchar khadar haga district kalong kababit babyang tini ka kubor ka wanshipi na ka Akashwani Shalom balalam linti dakam mantra of seva an sushasan kabumot ke je shakri pat ba bat ka singsha khadar ka bha ka sarkar hapo ka jelam unmintri rangba do Narendra Modi kalatre klem than ban wanra ya ka jinkala ba ka jinya shaprang minta kasni hakani ka special series ka seva parv ni walam shapi ban pinsmo kullu ka jingpin kala hakalyang ki linti rel da ka sarkar Modi klapin kala ru ya ka jinglong jing im ka India kabla pilla ban ai ya ka letkawan kabala ringkat dor bat kiri ka perthai ka bakham shngan bat kabala ban pinuso shamanla kinong shong shnong.
India's railway reforms in the last decade have ignited a revolution on tracks, transforming the nation's lifeline into a powerhouse of progress. Under the Modi government, Indian railways have been transformed to provide more comfortable, safer and world-class travel experience to passengers. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, the Indian Railways is weaving a seamless thread of connectivity. Kicking off the Udhampur-Srinagar-Baramulla rail line in Kashmir Valley, recently PM Modi said,
आज वादी कश्मीर भारत के रेल नेटवर्क से जुड़ गई। मां भारती का वर्णन करते हुए हम श्रद्धा भाव से कहते आए हैं, कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी ये अब रेलवे नेटवर्क के लिए भी हकीकत बन गया है।
The government also introduced Amrit Bharat train and Namo Bharat rapid rail to make the journey safe and comfortable. During next 2 to 3 years, 200 new Vande Bharat trains, 100 Amrit Bharat trains, 50 Namo Bharat rapid rail and 17,500 general non-AC coaches are planned to revolutionize travel experience for masses. Shashika Tripathi, a traveller on the newly launched Amrit Bharat Express between Gaya and New Delhi, appreciated the comfort and modern amenities in the train.
After boarding from Gaya, overall it was a very good experience. The train was very clean and the facilities are also very good.
More than 1,300 stations are being redeveloped under Amrit Bharat Station scheme. Ensuring world-class facilities, Indian Railways has also introduced Kavach, a state-of-the-art automatic train protection system to provide an unyielding layer of protection, ensuring the highest safety standards for train operations. Looking into the future, a national rail plan has been prepared to create a future-ready railway system by 2030, focused on delivering a cheaper, safer and reliable mode of transport to the common man.
Banbu dang eka lingko singap bashipos nem jong nonglam ringshur ka Mikhalia iba hoping stone lindo unintri rangba Conrad Kongal sangma minta kasni ula pelat eka jingtho shapanga jing in ubrio make a biography bala aikateng individual and history. A biography of hoping stone lindo she jakandai spa arpu kandai hado 8,000 khatsan haga jakasa jong u hashilong bala tho dai Dr. David Arnold Karshandi Kanika kot ke thu shapanga jinga linti iba lindo haka kamsang himasima ki jingtmu bat ki jingmot jinglong bat ki kam jong ulu rangba ki badanglong kan nuksa hadu minta bat dia kiban sawan habayaro halor ke jingtho yakini kot daw nong tho unintri rangba ulo ong bakani kan pinne ya ke jingken mau shapang ubriu ubatbet hakasan himasima ubayo ijngai ubaka jinglong bashida jongu kinongren bat ke jingshakri baula ai kila sender ya ka khanatang ka Mikhalia kani ka kot kanong ka jingno sinyang ka crown na ka binta ki khenna school ki bala nang na start bat kunjuru ya ki nongshong shnong ya ka National Voluntary Blood Donation Day ringkat ka ten phira ni ka mutu ka boong donate blood save a life lani als ngobha ya ka snam pelat in ni ka minsim la rakhi hatura da ka bapenong ya ka blood donation drive bala pinbet da ka 120 BN CRPF ringkat ke jetre lang bat ka blood bank civil hospital tura minta kasni bat katto ka khubor kalakut kablawan shapi naga Akashwani Shillong sababan apat se ki program ki banbod